Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about Crohn's disease and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is absorbed in the last part of our ileum. So those of you with Crohn's disease involving your ileum or having surgery to remove parts of your ileum may be having a difficult time absorbing vitamin B12 from foods. Those of you who have Crohn's disease and follow a vegetarian diet may be deficient in vitamin B12. So, food sources you want to try and include in your diet are trout, tuna, and clams, beef, as well as fortified cereals. So, as always, talk with your healthcare professional before starting any supplements. See if a vitamin B12 supplement is something that is right for you. And quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.